How to separate audio from video in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your CapCut. Let me show you by adding a video first. And now, in order to separate audio, you will see a new feature over here. When you click on the clip, you will see this separate audio feature. Simply tap on it, and as you can see, this is a pro feature. Simply select any option and click on separate audio, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.